Hello. In this video I will be talking about how I transform sensor data into physical quantity. For example, if I measure distance using ultrasonic sensor, the sensor will give me flight of time. I can use linearization to transform the flight of time into distance in centimeters.
I created a table that holds value pairs. The value in the left will represent the distance of the sensor. The value on the right will represent the sensor data. Our goal is to find out the mathematical function that will transform the measured data into the distance. We will calculate it here.
Here I will write down the value pairs.
Now all I have to do is create a line diagram. The slope of the line diagram is the mathematical function that will transform measured data into distance. We need to select the data. The x values will be the sensor data. The y values will be the real values. Now we need to get the trend line and show it. We get the slope function. First part is 0.0178 and second part is minus 1.3338. Now we can multiply the sensor data with this and add this like this. We need to put dollar signs here. Like this. And now we can get the linearized values here. So here is the sensor data. And if we add the slope function into the sensor data, we will get the distance in centimeters. So when I upload this, like this will change into distance in centimeters, right here.
And as you can see, the distance output is now in centimeters. Thank you for watching.